Y'all see this lace? Don't play with me. Y'all see these curls? Don't talk to me, okay? Because his hair is super bomb.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. As you guys can see, today we are here with one of my favorite companies, Nadula Hair. Okay, so I do have their 13x4 lace curly wig. This is a Jerry curl wig, and that is my favorite texture of curl. Okay, I love Jerry curl because it's just natural. Okay, it gives me very much natural vibes. But she is 24 inches. This is her straight out of the pack, not washed, not conditioned, and that is how I am serving her to you guys today. Not washed, conditioned, or any of that. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, don't forget to, of course, subscribe, thumbs up, and stay tuned to the next part of the video.
My friend here is on her stand, and like I ended up plucking her like a day ago. Ooh, okay. Okay. So yeah, off camera I did not bleach the knots. The knots were already bleached, so I didn't bleach the knots. I actually did go in and pluck it. I already told y'all that, okay? Now this part is crooked, girl. Get it right. Okay, so we gotta cut some of this off. Y'all, look how perfectly. Look at the lace. What lace? But it's giving us what lace type of vibes. Y'all already know. Come on, Nadula. Hopefully you guys can see it. But they always come with it. Y'all already know. This is about to be super cute. Okay? Well, this is only brushed out because I plucked the hair, so I had to go in and comb it out. But this is the natural state of the curls. This hair has not been washed. Okay? At all. So I'm just cut this off. Alright, so this is how it fits, and actually I could wear this glueless if I wanted to. I think this is a small cap size. My head circumference is a 21.5, so if you feel like your head's a little bit bigger, then just get a medium. And if she is looking good, look, scalp for days. That is crazy, right? But today we do have a new friend here with us. So we do have Ebin New York Wonder Lace Spray. This is an adhesive spray. This is the extreme firm hold. It says it's fast drying. I'm trying to read it off the screen, cannot. No residue or buildup, and 10 times holds, 10 times the hold for lace. You know, so okay, I wonder if it has a smell. Which way I'm gonna spray this? Not the way in the fan. Y'all don't smell nothing. So it don't have no smell to me. To me, I don't smell nothing. And we're gonna start in the center. Oh, it do has a little spray. I mean smell. I smell it when I sprayed it on me. Alright, I didn't add much heat because I was touching it and it gets tacky quick. I'm going to take my comb and press down into the lace where I laid the glue. And then we're going to go back in with some more heat. And this is on a cool heating setting. But it is, y'all see that? Alright y'all, so this is what the lace is giving us. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder on the side. Well, now I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder, and this is just my Morphe Bronzer. I don't really think I need it, but I'm being a little extra, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my edge wrap and just lay it around here for a few minutes. Alright y'all, so this is what the hair, this beautiful hair is giving us at this present moment. I'm about to, look y'all, I put my scarf on my hot comb. I'm trying to burn us up. I'm convinced. So yeah, I'm going in with my Erica J wax stick. And we just gonna lay this bad boy down. Alright guys, so I'm trying to give light baby hairs, like the baby hairs that don't look like it's baby hairs. Baby hair goo, y'all already know. Alright y'all, so this is how my baby hairs turned out. I didn't wrap a scarf around them or anything. I just used my blow dryer and blow dried it. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. Do I want to let it free fall? Girl, I don't know, child. Okay, so this is what the curl pattern looks like before I add some water on it. As you guys can see, I can run my hands through it. So I have 3 products that I am going to be trying out today. This is the Shea Moisture line. Ooh, don't fall. Y'all, that was a good save. The Shea Moisture line. And these are the 3 products that I am going to use to achieve my curly hair routine today. I'm just going to use a little bit of each product. This is the Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk with Silk Protein. I really wanted to leave these curls in the back end so you can guys see what the curls look like in the front, since I am gonna go in and detangle it. So this was my foam wrap, and then a little bit of my Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. So start from the bottom to detangle. Brushing out everything. This hair is super pretty, it's super soft. Now I'm gonna add some water to it. And I'm gonna brush it out. And my hair is damp, it's not like dripping wet. Put some of the... And I'm surprised this cream is lightweight, because normally creams be heavy and it can weigh down the hair, but this cream, on another note, is very lightweight. And y'all see how that formed? Y'all see these curls? Alright, let me put some more. Look how pretty these curls are. Like, nobody's about to be telling me nothing. Make sure I get up in here. You want them roots. Y'all see this lace? Don't play with me. It is given. But we just gotta make sure everything is defined. Okay, especially underneath. Like this section right here. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm gonna add some water. up in there, you got to make sure you're getting underneath. That is important because it won't be defined. And then make sure you get them ends. You see that frizziness? I'm gonna put some of that foam wrap lotion down there. You got to make sure everything is coated. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all already know when it comes down to Nadula hair, y'all know I'm completely obsessed because they never ever seem to fail. From the pre-plucked lace, like the unit comes pre-plucked, the knots come bleached, so I didn't have to do anything. So that's why I actually installed this unit straight out the box, so you guys can see what you're actually getting, okay? And like I said, I love units that you do not have to do much to. Like I said, I am extra, so I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more, but outside of that, sis, you didn't even need to touch the unit, like, period. Nadula always comes in clutch with it. Like, you can expect no less from Nadula because they already know what it is. So love this curl pattern. It's super pretty. Definitely vacation vibes. All pretty much curly units is definitely for vacation, but like this is like a honey. This is giving. Now, I haven't washed the conditioner or anything. I just took it straight out the pack and, you know, put it on, and now here we are, okay? The curls are dry. Like I said, I didn't do like a full curly hair routine because I wanted like the kind of blowout look. So, like I said, this is my first install, so I really can't give you guys like a full update because this is my first time, you know, wearing this gorgeous unit. I did not fully detangle it, only fully detangled the top. I did get a little bit of shedding from that. And of course, you know, you get your normal shedding when you're first detangling your hair for the first time. So, be mindful of that. As far as tangling, I did not receive any tangling yet. Like I said, I'm not saying it's not going to tangle ever, but as of right now, I have not received any type of tangling. Y'all, this hair is just fire, and nobody can come for me. Nobody can tell me nothing because sis, don't talk to me, okay? Because this hair is super bomb.